Um, I'm not a huge video guy here, but I thought I would break down a quick trade here I see in Starbucks. Um, Anyone who's been rolling with Starbucks for a while knows how well of a trader this thing has been. As you can see, this huge move out of here has given plenty of opportunity to either rotate over a prior high or pull back into some sort of support. Um, a couple weeks ago, we did have this nice little dip into the 10-week EMA. Sorry if you guys hear any alerts going off or whatnot. It is mid-session, but I just want to go over this really quick because we do have some nice consolidation here. Pushed a new 52-week high yesterday, and now a little bit of a retreat. My favorite type of setup is a pullback into a prior resistance level, so a breakout followed by a pullback, and I prefer when the pullback lines up with some form of active support. Sometimes that's a 21-day, sometimes it's the 10-week. In this case, it's the 10-day, and we're right into this 105 area. It's the prior high off of this range, and we're getting a test of that 10 EMA right there. Looks great. So I would be a buyer in that type of situation, and if we do get some sort of rebound or push up, I'm looking for 107 to 107 half as my first trim spot, and then you know hopefully move to a break even stop and trim and trail from there, ultimately targeting 110 to 112. Um, the beauty of a setup like this, I think, is it's a multi-layer situation. So for me, I would use like last week's low as my stop. Like 10, call it 104. And if it breaks, it breaks, and we move on with life. It's just a trade. We're not putting our life savings in this. It's just a trade. But it does start to open up another possibility if Starbucks were to break further and come under more selling pressure. So like market's a little extended right now. So if it keeps coming under pressure, I would be looking at Starbucks. 100 might be a little deep, but like just somewhere in that 100, 101 area, we start to get a lot of things piling up. This dash line here is a 10 EMA, 10-week moving average. It's a weekly overlay on top of the daily chart, which is what this is. 50-day here, 61.8, 50%. There's a gap fill here, 101 and a quarter-ish. So that's where if this doesn't work here, this is where I'd be looking to reload and give it another shot. Again, if it fails, it's okay. We move on with life and such as that. But um, yeah, that's it. I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough on how I would approach something like this. A relative strength monster, a stock that's done really well. It's exploded out of this base in the 80s, and it's been a market leader these last quarter, last two, for a while. So that's where I would take this one.